All right, got an MS250 here. Customer says it won't start. If you have a chainsaw like this that is hard to start, or maybe like it floods very easily, more than likely the carburetor is leaking. You can look down in the throat of the carburetor, and if it's pretty wet down in there, that means the carb's leaking. Another tell sign is when the muffler is saturated with fuel. That means the carb is leaking. So either it's leaking, during operation, or it's leaking after operation, in between when you go to use it again. So when you go to start it, it's hard to start because it's already flooded, because the carburetor is seeping. It's leaking into the cylinder, it's leaking into the throat of the carburetor. So in this case, replace needle and seat, or do a carb kit, or replace the whole carburetor. That's probably the easiest way. But yeah, so hope that helps you.